Corection web app. But just before we start, I want to say thank you all for watching the video. This channel just hit 900 subscribers. Thanks a lot. That's amazing. I never ever even imagined that this number would happen to this channel, but happened. So yeah, that's great. Thank you all for all of your support. And of course, if you're watching this video and haven't subscribed yet, feel free to click on that subscribe button. I don't really see that often, but yeah, feel free to click on that subscribe button, and so we can watch this channel grow together. Second of all, sorry for not posting video in 3 weeks already, because I was sick. I was sick. My throat hurts a lot the last couple of days, but now it's getting better. So yeah, now we can record this video. So without further ado, let's go and get started on the Corection web app. This is where we left off. Add a question. So what I think for standards, it's a little bit complicated for us to type a standard, have a show up, have it show up here. You can click on X to get rid of it. So I think I'm just gonna use checkboxes instead. I know, shame, but we're building a minimum viable product here anyway, so that would work. So we're just gonna get all the standards. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this. And in here, here's what I'm gonna do. Now that's perfect because that's just a simple form then. So I can go to template, add question, and yes, form method will be post, and make sure I don't forget 6RF token. Okay, so standards in here. It's gonna be slightly different. Let me get Bootstrap. Okay, so I'm gonna go to forms again. Looks like my laptop is lagging again. Because why not? Okay, here we go. Let's go to form control. Okay, so checkboxes is what we're looking for. So we're gonna find it. Let's check some radios probably. Okay. I'm looking for checkboxes. Okay, let me just get that then. Value, okay. Is there a checkbox with question? What's this? Oh, okay. Interesting. Let me go back to form control. There should be some sort of checkbox somewhere. Is there not? Let me check input group. Because I need to write a question. I know it's not really necessary. Okay. Well, it's fine. I would just do this. Actually, I'll put it inside probably. Okay, I'm just gonna write for S in standards. And 4. And in here, I'm just gonna write as the ID. Yeah, that's it. S dot, hard to say, let's see, models. S dot short name. And then we can do dash, something like that. That's that long name. I do not care about if it's checks by default. I do not care about probably doing the ID though. So just gonna say that's the ID. That's the ID. And in here, oh. Let me see. Checkbox. Okay. So I can figure this out. So how to put checkboxes under one HI name. Do I just write name? Probably. Okay. And in here I can say standards. Okay. So yeah, then by this logic, okay, this virtual environment is getting very annoying, but let's go ahead and start the app. So what I did here is I just wrapped them in a Ginger for loop, and then get the boilerplate code up there. What? Oh. Oh, okay. Well, well, short name, I guess. I don't, because that means they change how they handle IDs. So that means the ID is a different field now. Because I assume they had to keep track of it somehow. Oh, maybe it's not in here, so standards isn't there. What? Oh, okay, I see. Wait, the store ID or is it a foreign key? It's a foreign key, right? Okay. So course is, so I do need to do that. And course will be that. I don't know how I called course that. That's very annoying. Hope that doesn't kill me later. Okay, perfect. So we got that checkbox. That's something we can do. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. I guess what I will do then is we'll test see if this. I will add a couple other standards, just to see if I can get the standard feature to work. Okay, so create standards. Right. Okay, time period 2. Okay. I guess I was searching. Let me see if I can search that up. I could, if I remember correctly, it's 1607 to 1756. I know I'm such a big nerd. I remember these time period. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's right. I'm not gonna wait for you. Okay. Create. Okay, I'll create another standards while we're at it. Let's see. Maybe I will just call it this. Maybe I'll call it chapter 1. And I will call it early discovery and settlements. Okay, perfect. So now, go add question. Okay, now I can check the standards. Suppose this and this. So standards is just another way for us to, filter stuff. Okay, so let's try submit it and see what we get. Of course, actually, before we do that, I'm going to implement a backend for it first. If request. So I'm not quite sure how the checkbox will be handled. So right now I'm just going to print out the request. And of course, this thing is so genius. It handles everything correctly. Okay. In theory, it should be it. Oh, this button probably doesn't do anything, huh? Yeah. Okay, let's make it submit. Name req is not defined. Okay. Let me just kill the server. Okay, I'm gonna check this, check that, submit. Okay, good. Okay, so standard we got an array. That's good. That's good. Okay. So we're gonna ignore files for now. File will be its own thing. Actually, we can just add one more thing. We're gonna change it so you have a ink type. I believe ink type stands for encryption type, but we have to encrypt it like this. default is a triple W one, but this is a we're gonna encode it. Okay. Okay, I actually wonder how would this work really, because I didn't really give it a name. I'm not quite sure how this. Oh, I see. Now to be different names. Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. Uh, that looks good to me. I suppose we can really try to make it so it actually stores it maybe. So let's give this a name. We can say option A. I'm just gonna name it lowercase. Option A. Check. Option A val. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, but for B, C, D, and E. Option B, option C, option D, and option E. Amazing. Okay, supplementary file, we're gonna do that later. If you're really interested in how to do files, I have a couple videos already. If you just do search around, I believe I did one with Dropbox. That's how we can upload files. Oh yeah, actual question. The actual question need to be its own thing. Okay. Let's give it a name. Standards. We got standards already. Perfect. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. Oh, we need to give it a value, huh? Actually, we could just call it. We could just give it the same name then. We should just give it the same name. We can say correct. Okay. Value, we can just say A, B, C, D. Okay. So I guess we're just gonna say for op in A, B, C, D, E. So that's gonna give us 5 options. And in here we're gonna say if opt in request.post bracket correct. Right, based on what we see, it's gonna give us a list. So if it's in the correct, we're gonna create a one-way. So we're gonna say MC option. Well, we're gonna create the MC question first. Let's say MC. So let's say question is MC question dot object dot create. If I can find it, let me drag it. Course is course. I think I will put these two on the global scope, so not under a particular if statement, so I don't have to, rewrite the code. Okay, MC question is that, course is course, question, image URL, it's fine, okay. So question is, I guess, request.post bracket question. Perfect. Okay, now in here, you're going to do MC option.objects create. Notice how I said question equals. So when you create an object like this, there's two advantages. First, you don't have to do .save. Second, it will actually return the question object so you can use it. In this case, we're going to use it because we did the foreign key. So MC option, so you're going to have an MC question that's equals to the question. And text will be request.post bracket. You're going to have a f string option val is correct, be true. If it's not in the, if the option is not in the correct, then all we're gonna do is that's gonna be false, right? Like that, simple. And I think what I will do is I will just flash a message and then return them back. Add a question. Let me see how do I do the flash. Okay. So here I'm gonna do that message dot. Oh, I guess I had to import. Let's see if it's smart enough. No. Okay, it's not smart enough. Okay, so let's copy this. Sorry, my computer's lagging a lot right now. Okay. All right, message dot success. Yeah, perfect. All right, we'll say question created successfully, and then we'll say return redirect. We want to redirect them to here. Okay, I know I want to use reverse, but not really. I'm lazy. Course/course.id/ add question. Okay, like that. I guess we gotta try to see if it works. Okay. All right. Oh shoot, I forgot one more thing. Is to attach question to a standard. Yeah, I kind of forgot about that. So, let's see, how do we do this? Oh, well, Cody, I kind of forgot to do that. Is that called many to many? Let me search that up. Because I don't have multiple standards can be attached to a particular question, or many questions have the same standard. Let me see. Okay. So I'm gonna say standards models.many to many. Many to many, what's that called? Relationship or many to many field? Okay. Okay, many to many standard. Okay. So let's apply the migration really quick. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's kill this. Okay, perfect. Oh, I type extra space. I hope that won't break it. Oh, thank you. Okay, so what's the issue now? Oh, right, I need to actually fix it. I think this should be fine. I don't think I'd really change it. I guess what I would do is the question dot add. Oh, question dot something to add. Okay, question dot standards dot add. Okay, so we'll get all the standards then. We'll store standards in one list. We'll store standards in one list. So here I can say for I in. We don't really care about this. In request. Okay. Oh, I do actually. It's a short name, right? So in here, what I want to do is I want to add this particular standards. Let's say standards dot append, right? Append. Okay, append. We're gonna say. Well, actually, if we're doing this, and we don't even need a list, because we can just add it here. Okay, let me delete that. Oh my god, this is so laggy. Okay, standard the objects dot get. Course is course. Short name is short. So short name must be unique. Or there's no reason for it not to be really unique anyway. But well, there's not really a reason for any of these two to, you know. Okay. Okay. That looks good. I will kill the server, run again. Make sure it's fully reloaded. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the answer from this website, or copy a question from this website then, because I wanna, match the theme. Let me just cite the source. Okay, so we got this. I hope it works the first try, because I don't have to keep, copy and pasting this. Okay, that's the correct answer. Okay. I did not copy that. Okay. Let's click on submit. Please. I forgot who did I migrate? Standards? Did I migrate? I don't even remember if I migrated. It did just call. Oh shoot, so. Okay, so it created a question. Is this standard? This standard? I have to call standards. I got plural standards. Oh god. So, well, I mean, I didn't really change the front end. Technically speaking, if you didn't change the front end, you could do this. That's standards. Oh no. Okay. Well, since I'm gonna be lazy, I'm not gonna bother retype it. I have to fix it this way. Standard. Yeah, like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I got a standard matching does not exist. Huh. No, yeah, because that's right. Huh. What are some potential issues? Uh, mm, yeah, this is really weird. I don't know. It's pronounced short name, I guess. It's pronounced short name. Just see a list of them. Okay. Once we finish this interface, we'll call it for a day. But let's see. My computer is really lagging. Apologies. Okay. Huh. Yeah. No, that. That's more standard. Okay, let me take a look. Okay. So what the heck? It's not a list anymore? Did I check both of them, or well, regardless, it should still be a list. Yeah, I checked both of them. Let me see if I can figure this out very quickly. Because I really don't want to end up retyping all of that. Yeah, it's I don't. I thought it was working just a minute ago. Okay. Because I thought it gives you a list. Does it just decide not to do that now? Or what's happening? Okay, close it. It's not like you're loading anyway. Okay. Let's see if we can figure this out. Submit. Yeah, look at this. It's a list. Or does it do its parsing so it kind of removes the list? I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay. Get multiple checkbox. Oh, dot get list. Right. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. All right. Let's do that. Then let's. While we're at it, let's see. Okay. Correct. Correct will in theory also be a list. So just say dot get list. Okay. And now it should work in theory. Okay, in theory it should work. Click on submit. Let's take a look. Perfect. Question created successfully. All right, amazing. So yeah, I guess this will be it for this video. I know this probably took a while. The next video we will be doing is we'll be figure out a way to render the question and figure out a way to display the question view. Yeah, I guess this will be it for this video then. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. And as always, stay safe and have a great rest of your day. That's me, out.